welcome back to my channel. Hi, I am Precious. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing this. Yes, this tripod stand. It's from the YUFENG company. As you can see, it's boldly written on the pack. And I got this tripod stand from O Double Colors on Instagram. Yes, so this is what we'll be unboxing today, okay? The name of this tripod stand is Tripod 3388, and this is what it looks like on the outside. There's a little description on the pack. As you can see, they said the Bluetooth shutter is for iPhones and Android, but not for cameras. So I'm super excited about this unboxing, and that's because this used to be my former construction setup for my videos, a stick and books. So I'm super excited. Please allow me to dance, I beg. When you open this box up like so, the first thing you'll see is a carrier bag. Yes, everything in the box came in a carrier bag, and that's so thoughtful of them because this makes it much more easier to transport this tripod if you are not filming at home. So yeah, this is what the tripod carrier bag looks like. And inside the carrier bag, the first thing you see is of course the tripod. This is what the tripod looks like straight out of the carrier bag. Yes, and the carrier bag is not empty yet. There are some other things in the carrier bag, so let's see what these things are. There is the Bluetooth shutter I talked about initially. Yes, then you see your phone holder for holding your phone firmly on the tripod stand, and then the next thing you see is this little cord for charging the Bluetooth shutter. So these are the three things apart from the tripod stand that you see in the carrier bag, and the carrier bag is now empty, as you can see. So this is the tripod stand, okay? When you open it up, you can see this little hook here, which is actually a hanger for your bags. In case you're filming outdoors, it is a strong enough hanger where you can hang your bags, okay? This tripod can serve as a tabletop tripod if you do not want to extend the legs, but if you want to make it a standing tripod by extending the legs, then you can see that each leg has two clips, upper and lower clips for the upper and lower legs, okay? So if you open up the lower clip, the lower legs will extend like so. Yes, and when you open up the lower clip, the lower leg will extend like so as well. So make sure you close the clip back to make sure that the leg stays firm and the leg doesn't go back inside. So to extend the upper legs, you open the upper clips and also close it to make sure that it is firm. So when you open up the upper clip, the upper leg extends and then you close the clip back, just the same procedure. And this is the full length after extending the upper and lower legs, okay? At the junction between the legs and the head of the tripod is the neck, okay? At the neck of the tripod, there are two knobs. The first one is this smaller one I'm touching right now, and the second one is this longer one at this side. The two knobs have to work together because for the longer one to rotate, the smaller one has to be loosened, okay? So this longer one is still stiff right now because the smaller knob is still tight. So once you loosen the smaller knob, the longer knob starts to rotate. Okay, so once you loosen this smaller knob here, the longer knob starts to rotate. We'll be able to rotate freely to extend the head of the tripod, as you can see, okay? And once you get to your desired length, you can tighten the smaller knob to ensure that the head of the tripod stays just as you want it to stay, okay? This is the head of the tripod, this is the neck, and these are the legs. Legs, neck, head, okay? Remember those three items that were brought out of the carrier bag initially? The phone holder was one of those items. And this phone holder is supposed to be attached to the head of the tripod, okay? This phone holder right now is very shaky and unstable. So to make this phone holder less shaky and stable, you have to go to the back of the phone holder and tighten up this knob at the back. Once you tighten the knob up, the phone holder becomes more stable and less shaky, okay? So the head of the tripod has a screw and the phone holder has a nut. To attach the phone holder to the head of the tripod, you have to screw the phone holder onto the head of the tripod. So you have to screw it on properly to ensure that it is tight and secure, okay? The phone holder has this stretchy extendable part, as you can see, which allows you attach your phone to the phone holder. So all you have to do is extend that part and put your phone in place. Yes, just like that. The phone holder has a very firm grip and your phone is secure, so you can position your tripod stand anywhere you like and do whatever you like to do with it, like your TikTok or whatever. Yes. On the head of the tripod, there's this big knob, which is this one I'm touching right now. Then we have a lower knob here, which is this one. And then there's also a higher knob over here. Yes, that makes it 3 knobs on the head of the tripod. The higher one, the big one, and the lower one right here, okay? This big knob right here is for moving the head of the tripod forwards and backwards, okay? So once you loosen up this knob right here, the head of the tripod will be able to move forwards and backwards, as you can see. So yes, once you get the head of the tripod at your desired position, you can always tighten up the knob to ensure that the head of the tripod doesn't leave that position, okay? If this is your desired position, then you tighten the knob at this position and the head of the tripod will not move from this position, okay? So the knobs left are the higher knob and the lower knob, okay? Once this lower knob is tight, the head of the tripod will not be able to move around 360. So the function of this lower knob is to allow the head of the tripod move around in a 360 direction. So once you loosen this knob up, the head of the tripod will be able to move around 360, as you can see. O'Shea. Yeah, so that's the function of this knob, okay? Once this knob is tight, the head of the tripod cannot move around 360. So yes, that's the function of this knob. So now the higher knob. The function of this higher knob is to enable the seat of the phone holder move from vertical to horizontal and from horizontal back to vertical. Okay? So once you loosen up this knob right here, the higher knob, then the seat of the phone holder will be able to move from vertical to landscape. So yeah, this is very convenient for me as a YouTuber because this is the position we use to film. So once you move your phone to this landscape position, make sure that you come back and tighten the knob to ensure that the seat of the phone holder doesn't move back to vertical while you're filming, okay? So that's it for this unboxing and setup. I'll say that this tripod is really worth it for the price. I love this tripod so much and I recommend it anytime, any day. This tripod is simply amazing.
Perfect.
That brings us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll see you in my next video on Monday. Bye.